you ever find yourself overthinking, analyzing every detail, wondering how something is going to play out? I get it. I have been there too. But here's the truth. The more we try to control, the more it harms our confidence. Stay tuned to find out more. Hello, I'm Shuvra Deb and I work as a confidence and resilience coach, speaker and intuitive healer. Today I'm sharing why and how control erodes your confidence and how to let it go and become more confident. And how letting go actually makes you stronger. True confidence is not about controlling everything. It's about having the trust in yourself to know that no matter what happens, you will be able to handle it. The need to control often stems from fear, and being able to loosen that grip is a surefire way to authentic self-assurance. Control gives an illusion of safety. It leads us maybe to feel that if we can control every step, plan every action, then we are protected from things going wrong, from pain, from suffering. The problem is, the tighter we hold on, the more anxious we become and the more self-doubt can grow. The way that self-doubt grows is this. Think about it like this. When you control something or you seek to control something and then the situation doesn't go your way, the temptation is to blame yourself, to doubt your efforts, to doubt yourself. Over time, this pattern of control, the thing you're controlling not working out exactly how you want it, and then your sense of disappointment with yourself quietly erodes your self-belief and your self-confidence. You may even start to think, what am I doing wrong? Why can't I get it right? All of this sets you up for frustration and disappointment. Let's do something about that now. Think of a recent time when things didn't go as you'd planned. Were you trying to control the situation? Were you hoping for somebody else's reaction to be something that you needed it to be? And really pay attention here. Even when we think we've let go of something and relinquished control, there may be an element of control lingering in the background. Now let's shift the focus. Let's go from control to trust. Bring to mind something you're working on right now. And ask yourself, are there elements of this that you are trying to control? One of my favorite steps to take with this, which I want to share with you, is to do everything that I can that's reasonable. So take all positive actions and whatever else you need to do or say. And then once you've done all that, release it. When I do that, I release it and I say, I've done everything I can do. It's now in God's hands. An alternative for you might be, I've done everything I can do, it's now up to the universe. Or it will be what it will be. Or things will play out as they will. That way, you are releasing attachment and you are letting others involved in the situation be as they will be. Because after all, you can't control what other people do or think or how they react. By releasing attachment, you're also being confident about yourself. You're not pinning your worth, your value on how other people behave. So each time you act and then surrender and release, you are creating self-trust. You know you've done everything you can do and the rest will be as it will be. And that detachment allows you to develop the confidence to know that you can handle whatever unfolds because you're not attached to it. Not that long ago, there was a job I really wanted, and I had attached so much to that situation, to the job itself, to where I would live, to the friends I would have. And then, when it didn't work out, I was crushed. It took me months to overcome that sense of defeat and all the areas of blame where I picked up on blaming myself. Had I been able to detach, then I would have had a much easier experience when things hadn't worked out, and I would have been able to be more objective with my reaction and my responses. I see that now, but I didn't see it then. So try this today. When you feel yourself tensing or trying to control, say this, I've done my part, I now release this. And see how your energy shifts. Your confidence will grow when you do your part and when you surrender the rest. By doing that, you're allowing things to flow and you know that you can handle whatever is going to come. I hope this was helpful. If you like the content, then please do subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment so that other people can find this work too. There's a link below to a free guide if you're interested in more, and there's also a link to a more in-depth self-confidence course that I have put together. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.